Hey guys, Austin Cook here with Rock Solid Horsemanship. I want to talk about haltering a horse. I know it seems really simple, and there's a lot of people that have been doing it for a long time, but they've been doing it a long time improperly. Okay, so what you don't want to do is be someone that throws it up like this and hopes you catch it. And it comes down, they lift their head, and you look like you're in a fight with your horse. You want to simply grab the tip of your halter, just like that, reach over your horse's neck, invite them to come towards you just a little bit, and then hand yourself that piece and then catch their nose. Now, if at this point they went to leave for whatever reason, we have control of them, okay? And then I slowly slip it over their nose like that. Now, when I'm just breaking these horses, what I like to do is come up and come down a lot. And again, I'm only gonna put the halter on this mare if she's tipped towards me. I'm not gonna let her do this and be caught in a fight with her. So if she is pulling her nose away, again, I'm gonna bump her back like this, rest my arm on her pole, and invite her to come down. And right now she's not, so I'm gonna just put my hand, see, bump her back just like this, bump her back, put my hand here, and she comes in towards me and I can slip it on, okay? And I have total control. So that's the proper way to halter a horse, and it's more effective. So again, just real quick, you walk up to your horse in its pen, both pieces in your left hand like this, reach over with your right hand, hand it to yourself, and now you have control. Okay, hopefully this helps. We'll see you on the next video.